Hey everybody, Mark Rickert here again. Hope you are doing well. It's hot out there, man. It's hot living on the streets. What do I do to get your home sold? I go to the streets. I'm in the medians, waving at people. Home for sale. Let's check out the sign. Got my sign going on here. Let me turn this thing around so you can see the sign. Got my sign I hold, wave to people, and direct them to our open house, which is at 6800 Via del Cerro in Albuquerque. It's Osuna and Vista del Norte. You turn right on Vista del Norte as you're heading west, and then make your second left and follow the signs to the open house from 12 to 3 today. If you are thinking about selling your home and you want a realtor with hustle, I'm talking about me. I get out in the hot blazing sun and I try to get these homes sold for our clients. So I'm not crying the blues. I love what I do. Listen to music, think about life and how great life is, and how we're able to serve you, our clients. Thank you for the opportunity to serve you guys. So anyway, Mark Rickert signing out. I'm going to get a drink of water, and I am going to... Got interrupted by a phone call. Anyway, I'm getting a drink of water and heading back out to the medians where I am acting as if I live on the streets today trying to get homes sold. You guys have a great day, all right? Bye-bye.